To create a task for yourself, click the plus button in the toolbar. If you don't see this, your teacher may not have assigned the tasks enabled for this course. Go ahead and click Create a Task. This is going to show up in your to-do list. You could also send this to your teacher when you've submitted a document, and you could give yourself a due date. When you're done, click Save. This is then going to go in your to-do list. As you see here, there is now an indicator that you have something in your to-do list. And it helps you keep track of the activities you have assigned or been assigned. You can also self-assign from the library. If you click on Choose from Library, you can search keywords that you're working on in your course. From here, it will search through our libraries and find matches. Here I can preview the activity and add that to my cart. When I'm done, I click OK. And then I choose the folder I want to put it in. We'll go ahead and just choose this one, and I could give myself a due date. This is now going to be assigned to myself in the folder that I chose. So for example, if I close this, if I go to the folder that I put the activity in, you'll now see that activity displays here, and I can complete that activity.